As the new year of school is underway, there's many questions, one of which is over the even higher numbers of portable classrooms that are being installed at our schools, especially in the Carolina Forest area. So, why is this? And what's being done about it?
It's Tiffany and Frank with the Hereda team. We are realtors here in the Grand Strand, but more importantly, we are parents.
And this year, both of us, along with many other parents, are yet again wondering what is going on with even more portables popping up at the schools in Carolina Forest.
Did you know that 1 out of 5 students in Horry County are within the Carolina Forest area schools?
And just to give you some perspective, Horry County is the largest county in the state of South Carolina. So you can see the extreme growth in the Carolina Forest area of Myrtle Beach.
There is also about 2,000 new homes planned to be built and even more in the works. So is there a plan for all of this growth?
Well, Horry County has purchased land for 2 new elementary schools in the Carolina Forest area. One of them is along Carolina Forest Boulevard, and the other is off Ronald McNair Boulevard.
Design, permitting, and construction are supposed to be underway in 2024. The construction of these will be funded by the current 1-cent sales tax.
This will come up again on the ballot this November, and it's important to vote yes so the county can continue to build new schools to keep up with the growth.
We are thrilled that so many people are discovering why we love the Carolina Forest area of Myrtle Beach and choosing to move here. Of course, with anything, there will be growing pains, but we think it's worth it.
For sure. And look, we'd appreciate if you'd leave a like on this video and let us know, are there any topics that you'd like to see us discuss? Tell us in the comments below.
If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because my mom and dad post new videos every week that you don't want to miss. So link a video down below.